In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export contacts in Gmail. We'll start from your Google inbox, since that's the easiest place to access everything. Once you're in Gmail, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical column of Google app icons. In that column, click on the contacts icon. This opens the contacts panel connected to your Google account, and it's where you can quickly manage saved contact information. Next, in that contacts panel, click on the small square with an arrow in it. This opens Google Contacts in a new tab. Opening it in a full tab gives you access to the complete set of contact management tools, which makes both exporting and importing much easier. If you want to export your contacts, go to the top right corner of the Google Contacts page. There, click on the export icon, which appears between the print icon and the three-dot menu. After you click it, you'll be asked to choose the format for your export. You can export as a Google CSV, a CSV for Outlook, or a vCard for Android or iOS. Choose the format that matches where you plan to use your contacts. For example, Google CSV is usually best for backing up or reusing within Google, while Outlook CSV is more suitable for Microsoft Outlook, and vCard works well for many phones and Apple devices. Once you've decided on the format, click Export. Your contacts file will then download to your device. It's a good idea to save that file somewhere easy to find, especially if you plan to import it again later or keep it as a backup. Now let's look at how to import contacts. In Google Contacts, go to the left-hand column and click Import. This opens the import window where you can upload a contacts file from your computer. Click Select File, then browse your device and choose the CSV file you want to import. Make sure you select the correct file, especially if you have more than one contact list saved. Once the file has been selected, click Import to finish the process. Google Contacts will then upload the file and add those contacts to your account. This is useful if you're moving contacts from another email service, restoring a backup, or combining multiple contact lists into one place. And that's it. That's how to export your contacts for backup or transfer, and how to import them back into Gmail whenever you need them.